Hello, lovelies. It's your girl, Fumi Richards, and I'm back to you with something new. I usually get this question that, how do I budget for smoothies? Aren't they expensive? Feeding is expensive in Nigeria. How in God's name have I been able to cope and keep making food content and all of that? So I said, okay, let me come to you with a series that would talk about food budgeting and how I usually plan my meals within a budget. Basically, a SAPA series. So this particular smoothie, which is a mango and banana smoothie, is actually under a budget of 1,000 naira. I know, I don't even believe it myself, but the mangoes cost 100 naira and there were 4 mangoes. And then I bought a small bunch of bananas and that cost me 500 naira. And then I added Hollandia sachet yogurt that in some areas is 80 naira. My area is actually 100 naira per sachet. And all of that totals about 800 naira. Not even about 800 naira gerige. And yet, when I mixed the smoothie, I was sure of the water, I was sure of the fruits, I was sure that I was actually taking natural fruits and not some organic sort of blend that I'm not aware of. So yeah, it's such a healthy blend and it's so cheap. So I'm just like, why bother? So when people ask me, I'm like, am I minting millions? And then so I'm just doing food content and all of that. To be very honest, it doesn't, like, things like this don't cost me that much. And why doesn't it cost me that much? Because one, I usually go for fruits that are in season, except for like times when I actually go for like exotic fruits. But aside from that, I would normally just go for fruits that are in season that I can easily just step out of my house and just get. There was a time I did one with a smoothie with udara, and it was actually very interesting. It was an interesting blend. I probably will not try that again, but it was an interesting blend. And those are like smoothies that you can easily make at home on a budget. So yes, it is very important to actually go for fruits that are in season. Consider like, okay, what do you have? Because the problem I feel like a lot of people have most times is that when they want to make a meal, they don't necessarily have a budget. So it's always helpful when you have a budget. But all of these stories, I did not really come here to make it a serious deal. Although it is a serious deal because planning meals is actually serious business. But are you seeing like this glass of mango and banana smoothie? Dears, the joy in my heart, like the joy in my heart when I finished making this smoothie today. There are no words to describe it. It has been on my mind to actually make this smoothie, and I had been quite conflicted in terms of the recipe, because most times I just develop the recipes by myself. So I was quite conflicted as to, I wanted to add a few more things to it, but see me drinking it and just realizing that there is joy in hard labor. Like, of course, this hard labor in this case is actually cutting the fruits and making a smoothie. And because genuinely I feel like God had plans when he was making food. Just in case you didn't get that, this is a SAPA series. So please subscribe for more recipes on a budget. Bye.